Hi guys, get ready with me for bed. So I did already do this out of you guys, and by the start we did just play bumper cars. That was like I did it over and over and over. Okay, so I did win this. I did buy it, my points, and I'm a sweetie that I already eat. So I did already use it. I'm gonna put everything aside when I already used. Okay, then I'm gonna use my cream. Then I have a dim because my mom is not making I make my own room. So I refill it again. So I buy it again, but I put the refill in. So yeah, I. So my room is like messy. Look, there, there's you guys. It's like so. My room is really messy. Yeah. So I have really space to have another bed there. Me and my sister did share a room here in. So I'm done with this room, so I'm gonna put it aside. Okay. Now we use this room. My mom did said I must not use this anymore. So I think I'm gonna not use it anymore. So yeah. Okay. So I love to do YouTube edit. Start yesterday and like really long chat. Like I think last year now is like I can't do TikTok because my mom's friend can see it. So yeah, I love my new Taba squishy. He's not squishy. He is but not squishy. He's not sticky. So I'm gonna put this aside. I use my wipes what already droog to veer my things off. There. Okay, and then I know when I do this thingy. Ja. Christelie? Ja? Het jij voor pink maken gedronken? Nee. Papa had het vanochtend gedronken. Ik heb er ja. Mama? Christelie zei papa had het vanochtend gedronken. Yes, but I use the big side and the small size. Okay, so this is how looking my face after I don't have makeup on. So yeah, now I'm gonna do my serum. No, my serum. Yeah, I'm gonna put this aside. I put it in my dustbin. Then I'm gonna do the serum. But I want more serum because I did want to buy more serum, and my mom said it's too much. I just wanted to buy 3 serums, but my mom that said is way too much. So I listen to her. I don't like complain with my mom. Like put this record. So that is all the things that I did use. The things that I use. Okay. Yeah. So I did go law series and started. So and I use the small size for the serum. Okay, like that. I don't want to use this. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lip mask. I must get more skincare because um I did more. I I'm gonna use that one. Yeah, it's enough. I use everything because I don't need more. So. So, with this, you wait, I think a minute. No, when it's done. Yeah. Like your lips. Not to try anymore. And then, yeah. So comment if you guys did your nails this week or last week or this vacation. Yeah, and say if you buy the ocean. I did not go to the ocean this year. So yeah, and last year. So yeah. Okay, a minute's done. Okay. Now we must click. Oh yeah. Now that's slide. Nick must use the melon of your lips because your lips gonna burn. So yeah. And then you must tap with this spongy. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Okay, that's everything that I did use. I'm gonna pack my bag now. That is everything what I did use. At least not that. All that. Okay. Yes. comment if you what age are you. I just want to let know you guys. Like you don't have to follow me. You just can say I'm not as I'm not that person who forces people to follow me. Um, yeah. And comments. What land you in? And then we're gonna can my hair. My hair is not messy, so I don't sleep with that headband. I don't have bangs. Look, my bangs was really curly like that. But I don't like bangs. Look on the other side. But I don't like bangs, so so I gonna tie my hair because I don't sleep with high and I don't sleep with loose hair. Sleep with certain hair. So here I forgot to literally my back do my backs. I don't have another one, so I'm gonna just do bring. Yeah, so my gonna do that like literally the cricket. It's fine. I'm gonna do a bola. It's fine. I'll do a bola. I'll just get my racket. Okay, guys, I'm gonna now just gonna put gel in my hair. Okay, I'm back. I put my hair gel in my gel, so I'm done with my hair now. I think I'm done. Let us show you my outfit here, guys. So I'm gonna go in my mom's my sister's room. This is my wolf outfit. So this is my outfit. Okay. So like that. This is my outfit. So yeah, lame.